Hey guys, I would love to take you all through a breathing exercise today that's really effective. It's called Kapalabhati, and it is basically a powerful pumping motion. We're going to focus on the area below the belly button, and the exhale is going to be fully active. And the inhale is going to be passive, so we don't need to think about the inhale, it just naturally happens. If you haven't done this before, we're going to imagine pulling up sensation from our lower abdomen as we exhale, okay? We can either do it through the nose or through the mouth. You might want to blow your nose before we get to work, because it will definitely be clearing out your sinuses and opening up all those energy channels in the body. We will be doing the exercise like so. We will inhale halfway and then push. You want to be as powerful as you can. We want to have it like fire in the belly. Pump, 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 pump. We're going to be bringing our awareness to our mind and our body and stillness. And when we become still in between our rounds, we're going to do 5 rounds. I want you to focus on how the breath is moving in through the nostrils, down the back of the throat, down the windpipe, into the lungs, filling the side lungs, filling the back of the lungs, filling the chest, the front of the lungs, but also with a full yogic breath, try and incorporate your diaphragm as well. And by becoming aware of the diaphragm, you can put your hands on your midline, and as you inhale, imagine you want to push your hands out. And exhale, it comes together, so you can see that gap expanding and contracting. So that's the feeling we want to focus on. However, with the Kapalabhati, we're going to focus it here. So take some practice on your own, and yeah, we're gonna get to it. Inhale, bring your arms up above your head, allow your palms to meet at the top. Exhale, bring them down to prayer pose, allow the thumbs to touch the sternum, raise the chest, roll the shoulders. You can tilt the pelvis up ever so slightly, grounding the sitting bones, grounding the knees down to the floor. Also, if you need to, grab a cushion, place it under your sitting bones so that your knees are actually both on the ground. This way it allows the blood to circulate without you getting any pins and needles or dead leg. So we're here, our hands are at our heart center, thumbs are placed on the sternum, and we'll take an inhale. And as we exhale, interlace the fingers, push them forward, relax the head and neck down. Inhale, bring your arms up above your head and have the sensation of having a string pulling you up towards the sky, but also allowing the earth to root us down through our sitting bones. So we want that pushing and pulling effect in the body. Inhale and exhale, bring your hands back down to the mat. Good. Let's do another round of that. Bring your hands to your heart center, closing the eyes. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, push forward, relaxing the head and neck, rounding the shoulders, rounding the spine. Inhale, reaching up, but also grounding down. Exhale, bring your hands down to the mat. Good. Let's take some neck rolls. So we'll inhale as we go up one side, and exhale as we go down the other side. Take it at your own pace, but just make sure you connect to the breath. Don't forget to breathe. Around the other side. Be gentle with your body. If we keep our eyes closed during the practice, we can actually have more of an inner journey. This is why we close our eyes through meditation, so that we can remain inside and look within ourselves. Stay connected with the breath. Close your eyes. Place your hands on your knees. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. We're going to do 5 rounds of Kapalabhati. I will guide you through it all. Inhale halfway, preparing, and let's go. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to your normal breath, maintaining the eyes closed, having that inner journey. Allow your mind to drift, but just bring it back with your mind awareness. Be aware of how the breath enters the body. Be aware how the breath leaves the body. Take one more deep inhale and exhale through your nose. And let's prepare for round 2. Inhale halfway. Let's go. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Exhale long. Relax the nervous system. If you have low energy, make your exhales much longer than usual. Allow the breath to be soft, the mind to be soft, the body to be soft. Preparing for round 3, take an inhale through the nose and exhale. Inhale halfway to prepare, and we're off. Ten, 9, 8, 7, fire in the belly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. And relax, feel the sensations. Notice where your mind is going to. Listen to those inner thoughts without judgment. Nothing is wrong, nothing is right. Everything is as it should be. Stay connected to the breath. Preparing for our 4th round. Inhale halfway. Here we go. 10, 9, 8. Push as hard as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let go. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the breath. Be grateful for that oxygen you're able to breathe. We're going to prepare for our 5th round, and at the end of our 5th round, we're going to hold the breath for 12. You can take a bandha lock by dropping the chin and allowing the oxygen and the carbon dioxide to travel around, or you can just simply hold the breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Inhale halfway to prepare. Here we go. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You can do it. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, keep the body soft. Keep the mind soft. Check in with your posture, that you're sitting nice and tall. Remaining with the eyes closed, with that inner journey. No judgment. Feeling that carbon dioxide, that blood to the brain. Feeling the blood vessels opening up. And just coming back. Take what you need from this practice. Let it sit with you. This is a perfect preparation for meditation. This state of mind that you're in now, this stillness is perfect, and recommended time now would be to take a meditation. Be easy on yourself. Take it for as long as you want, as long as you need. Don't put pressure on yourself to be any other way. I hope you enjoyed this breathing exercise with me today. I will hopefully be doing another one sometime very soon.